Guys, welcome back to another video, video 31. Just gonna jump right into this today. Ended up taking a losing week this week, only one R, so nothing too serious, but this was a fairly unfortunate week for me. Took about 3 trades, took 2 break-evens and 1 loss, so let's just jump right into that. Didn't end up taking anything on Friday. Pretty bad on Friday, just kind of avoided that. Now Thursday, I actually took 2 trades on Thursday, which is a bit uncharacteristic of me, but I did get a break even, so I did allow myself to kind of take 1 more trade. But we had this really nice clean setup I took it on M&Q, so it's slightly different, but essentially had this nice delivery at a 3-minute gap, 1 minute CC to Asia high. Obviously went break even at the high, so it ended up getting stopped out. But the unfortunate thing about this was that it actually kind of gapped through my stop, so it registered a bit late and it took me out at minus 100, which obviously not the end of the world, but not ideal. And then if you just jump onto the 2-minute time frame, so after I took that break even, I was looking for something else, and obviously we had 930 wick here, data low here, so some serious low resistance liquidity, and we also had draws lower as well. But ended up taking this 2-minute candle confirmation out. We tapped into 5-minute or 3-minute, took that displacement out of that. Kind of started accumulating, getting a bit choppy. Stop loss wasn't in the best place, it was right at these highs, but obviously when you're in the market live, not everything's going to go your way. But I think I would definitely have taken this back testing, so that's all that matters. But I probably would have allowed for a little resweep here. But anyway, I ended up taking this off early because we just started chopping about so much. I was like, what's the point? I basically said, when we close over this gap here, this imbalance here, I'm going to take that off, and I did. So I took about $100 loss there, and like 400 there, so I ended up with a minus 500 this week. It's unfortunate because I could have been up 2R if that hit, and then my trade on Wednesday. Okay. Yeah, so obviously had a massive pump up Wednesday. Was looking for something at all-time highs. Had this trade here, but obviously we're past 10 AM, so I kind of wanted deeper retracement on that into 5-minute gap, but we didn't get that. So we had the 50-minute gap here. Ran up, reswept this high, formed this gap, 3-minute inversion, delivery out of a 2-minute gap, and a nice 1-minute inversion here, nice displacement. And obviously we've been pumping up all session, and we have that 50-minute gap, so yeah, I ended up taking this. Pretty nice trade, pretty happy with it. Obviously we pretty much started displacing immediately lower, so kind of as we were around sort of this area here, I just rolled my stop to break even. I was like, right, well, I want to see it flush here, so what's the point in me waiting for it to hit? So I did that, rolled to break even, just got off the charts, came back later, got stopped out unfortunately, but you know, at least it's not a loss. But I could have been up 2R this week, but ended up being down 1, but you know, that's just the name of the game. That's just how it goes. Pretty happy with the performance this week, and that's 4 weeks, 1 month of following the system pretty well. Like very, not gonna say perfect, obviously make mistakes here and there, but as well as I need to make money in the long run, which is good. and that's really good, and that's what I'm happiest about, if you can't tell. But yeah, that's basically all I took this week. In terms of next week, obviously I have this all-time high. I'm kind of just expecting us to keep, or anticipating us to keep pushing higher into all-time highs, see how far they take it. But then we're also gonna have a gap here, so probably want to see this mitigated, and then kind of just keep pushing higher. Bullets still proving otherwise, but yeah, a good week really in terms of like my trading skill and all that, but an unfortunate one in terms of my account balance. But that's just how it goes. But yeah, aside from that, that is everything. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.